A. A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F. F for fish. Fish means मछली. G. G for goat. Goat means बकरी. H. H for hen. Hen means मुर्गी. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J. J for jug. Jug means jug. K. K for kite. Kite means patang. L. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T. T for tiger. Tiger means चीता. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V. V for van. Van means van. W. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X. X for extra. Extra means extra. Y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.